Hey up here, Jab TV. I'm going to show you a video today of all my new bits that's come from my car. As you can see, got some lowering springs, Lesjöfors 30mm front and back. Job's a good one. Next, some rear Bilstein B4 shock absorbers. Some rears. And my fronts. Normal damper, just upgrade quality, made in Germany. Just standard shock for any car, but obviously these are got a better guarantee, better damper hardness. So hopefully she'll improve my handle on my car slightly, because it handles like a shocking trolley at the minute, but get all this on. Hopefully it'll land a bit better. As you see there, I've got my 4 shocks, 2 rears, 2 fronts, lowering springs, 2 fronts, 2 rears. Just move these out of the way. See if there's a stump. The back here, got a brand new full fitting kit. Top bearings for the struts, new dust covers, gaiters, 2 new plates for the gaiters, 2 rubber washers for the seats. Also, I think these are the seats. Yeah, they're the bottom seats for the springs. Now going between the gaiter and the top of the strut, the shock. 2 new wing nuts. All the new hardware. Happy days. Big shocks were 190, lowered springs were 120. All the fitting kit was about 120. So yeah, it's hit me bank this month. Anyway, so I'll build these up later and make another video. Like and subscribe.